we'll guide you through how to use Krita effectively on a tablet. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your tablet. Once it's loaded, you'll notice the interface is optimized for touch input, which makes it easier to navigate with your fingers or a stylus. Start by going to the settings by tapping the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Here, you can customize the touch gestures according to your preferences. You might want to enable features like double tap to undo or pinch to zoom, which make drawing more intuitive on a tablet. Next, create a new document by tapping the plus icon on the top left. You'll be prompted to choose your canvas size and resolution, so set these according to your project needs. Once you have your canvas ready, select a brush by tapping the brush icon, which brings up a wide variety of brushes to choose from. You can customize each brush's size and opacity by dragging the sliders that appear next to the brush selection. If you want to switch colors, tap the color wheel icon to access the color picker. Here, you can select from a spectrum of colors or enter specific RGB values. To organize your layers, tap the layers icon, which allows you to add, delete, or rearrange layers simply by dragging them up or down. This is especially useful for complex illustrations where you want to keep different elements separate. When you're ready to save your work, tap the File menu and choose Save As to export your artwork in your preferred format, whether it's a PNG, JPEG, or Krita's native format for future editing. Don't forget to explore the brush settings and experiment with different tools to find what works best for your style. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.